If you live out in the country, the suburbs, and sometimes even in the city, deer can be a major problem when it comes to fruit trees, especially young fruit trees. So today, I'm going to show you how I protect my young fruit trees from deer in a cheap and efficient way. Now, the best way would be to surround your orchard space with a tall, deer-proof fence, but not a lot of people have room for that, and you're going to run out of space to plant real quick. So this is what I've come up with. It's a very simple, primitive design, but it's really effective. All we're doing here is utilizing some posts and some 4-foot tall chicken wire. So your first step here is to drive in some posts. I'm using conduit here. It's a little more expensive. You can use wooden stakes. Does not have to go all the way up to the 4 foot, but just make sure all 4 of these are an equal distance from the center of your tree and they are straight across from each other. Once you have the posts in, that's when you're going to take your chicken wire. You're going to start at one of them. Take a couple tie wraps, put it on your chicken wire to get it started. Next thing you're going to do is take your chicken wire and unravel it all the way around all of these posts. You can see my tie wrap there of where I started here. I went around these posts. Didn't even secure it to these. These are just to hold it tight so it doesn't come in. To secure your chicken wire after you cut it just past the post where you started, you take these ends here and you can fold them in and fold it around itself. Do it in a couple spots just so it doesn't come undone. This works out really well because if I need to access this tree to prune it, maybe put some more mulch in there, all I gotta do is undo these little strands here and I can peel this back. When I'm done, I can put it right back in place and fold these back together. Now this is gonna work because at the height here, the deer are actually down here. They don't want to touch this. We set it up far enough away, here I'm about 42 inches from the tree, that even if they do reach their head up a little bit, they can't reach these branches. And they're not going to jump in here because where are they going to go with such little space? We have a 2-year-old peach tree from seed here that I started. This setup here I made big enough that this tree's going to be good for the next 2 years at least. Out here by the woods, definitely got a lot of deer pressure out in this area. Set up the apple trees from seed out here using the same methods. Got some weeds growing in there, but that's okay. Just with this short fence here, 4 foot, deer cannot reach in there. I can barely reach my arm in there to touch this tree. Even this little branch that is close to the end here, they can't reach over and get it. This is what I've done in the past. This is a little more expensive here with the 2x4 welded wire. You can see with this cherry tree, it's starting to come out here. So the deer are going to end up browsing this as it comes out. So this one, just like this newer cherry tree, is going to have to go to the chicken wire. So I'll be set for a couple years and not have to move this. If I could fit all my trees in here, I would, but just not practical. So I hope this quick video helped to stop the deer from eating your trees in a cheap and efficient way. Some 4-foot tall chicken wire, a couple tie wraps, some posts to put on the outsides, wrap it around. Thanks for watching.